Day 9 of the trial of Christopher Okello at the High Court in Kampala has ended with dramatic developments as the accused mounted his defense against 4 counts of murder. The session, presided over by Justice Alice Komuhangi Kauka, followed an earlier ruling on April 8th that Okello had a case to answer. Returning to court on April 9th under tight security, proceedings began with a prayer before the judge formally read out the charges.
The word in Matthew chapter 18, verse 18 to 20, that when we meet, when we gather in your name, you promise to be in our midst.
This time you're not pleading to them, but I want to refresh your mind so that you know what you're going to defend yourself about. You're charged in 4 counts of murder, and the first count is murder contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Against you. So you can now start.
Okay, let me get my notes. Can I
Please, get your notes. Where are they?
In my pocket.
Please. Evidence.
Yes.
Now what do you say
My defense?
in your defense?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okello confirmed he understood them. In his defense, Okello denied all 4 counts, insisting he did not intentionally commit the killings.
I'm going to say I believe I am not guilty on the 4 counts because I was not intentional. I didn't intentionally cause the death of the 4 children. And I have another explanation. I mean, I could explain in another way the reason that the children passed away.
He accused the prosecution of pressurizing him into confessing and argued that the evidence presented against him was insufficient.
The prosecution produced evidence, including a charge and caution statement and a plain statement, where it was said that I confessed to killing the children deliberately, but my lord, I was going to say that I was made to make that statement by force, and
Also challenged the claims about his mental condition, suggesting he may have suffered from undiagnosed mental health issues that could have influenced his actions.
my lord, it is possible that there were other kinds of mental challenges that could have gone undetected.
Okello further alleged that he was forced to admit involvement in ritualistic killings for financial gain and claimed that certain video searches presented as evidence were made under coercion. In a startling statement, Okello told the court he had been targeted by unknown individuals who followed and photographed him, forcing him to abandon his home and live on the streets. During that period, he said he experienced disturbing thoughts, including urges to harm family members and even rob a bank.
Method. I tried a few ways to I tried a few things, my lord, to bring the whole thing to an end. I tried to flee the country. To rob a bank. I tried to rob a bank. Yeah. What? What? Then my lord, I tried, my lord, to kill my brother's family. Yeah, I did.
Okello conducted his statement by urging the court not to convict him, citing what he described as mitigating circumstances. The defense then called its first witness, Okello's elder brother, who told the court to hide his identity. He testified that he had been informed Okello was once admitted to Butabika Hospital. Defense lawyer Richard Kumbuka sought to introduce medical reports from the facility. However, the court ruled that Okello's mental health history would not be considered, stating that his conduct did not demonstrate signs of instability. A second witness testified that he encountered Okello in Chisenyi, where Okello reportedly gave him food. The witness also claimed Okello later asked him about a group of young children between the ages of 7 and 10. The defense faced challenges in presenting its remaining witnesses, with one number reportedly being a non-Ugandan national and another reportedly unavailable. The court has now adjourned the proceedings until 27th April 2026 to allow the defense more time to produce additional witnesses. The trial will continue at the High Court in Kampala.
Contends that our prayer should be granted, that the charges as filed should be dropped, my lord.
Naguja Serena for NSTV.